In this video, you'll learn how to write effective prompts for Higgsfield AI video generation. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the necessary steps to create engaging prompts that lead to successful video outputs. Start by navigating to the Higgsfield AI video generator and image generator. You can do this by entering the relevant URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface featuring various options for video and image generation. Next, locate and click on the Create Video button. This action will direct you to a new screen dedicated to video creation. You can recognize this screen by the additional options and settings that appear specifically for video generation. After that, you will see the Change button. Click on this option to access further customization settings. This step is crucial as it allows you to modify the parameters that will affect your video output. Once you are on the customization page, find and click on Higgsfield OP. This selection will provide you with different depth of field options that can enhance the visual quality of your video. Make sure to review the changes that appear on the screen after this selection. Following that, click on Be at Time to explore unique motion effects. This feature can add dramatic slow motion effects to your video, making it more visually appealing. Take a moment to observe how the interface updates with new options related to this effect. Next, click on Highlight to emphasize specific elements within your video. This feature allows you to draw attention to key areas, enhancing the viewer's experience. Verify that the highlighted options are visible before proceeding. After that, click on Upload Image or Generate It. This option enables you to either upload your own images for the video or use the AI to generate new visuals. Keep in mind that larger image files may require more time to upload, depending on your internet speed. Then click on Prompt to access the text input area where you will define the content of your video. This is a critical step as the prompt you write directly influences the video generation process. Now, type in a prompt that you want to use for the video. Be specific and descriptive to ensure that the AI can generate the most relevant content. This is your opportunity to guide the AI in creating the video you envision. Next, click on Enhance On to activate any enhancement features that can improve the quality of your generated video. Wait for the confirmation that the enhancements have been applied before proceeding. Following that, click on Model to select the type of model you want used for video generation. This selection can significantly impact the output style and quality. Afterwards, click on Higgsfield Standard to choose the standard model setting. This option is designed to provide a balanced output suitable for various video types. Ensure that this model is highlighted on your screen. Finally, click on Generate to initiate the video creation process. The system will begin processing your prompt and settings, which may take a moment. You should see a progress indicator while the video is being generated, confirming that your request is being processed. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.